Guys, so it's 5:30 in the morning here in Krakow. We are going to the train station because today we are going to the city of Poznan. So yes, come with us.
Pociąg Krakow do stacji Ostrowiec Świętokrzyski przez stację Niedźwiedź, Słoniny, Miechu.
Huh? I know.
Hello, Filipina family. We are on the train heading to Poznan, but apparently our train stopped. We didn't know what was going on. They're explaining everything in Polish. So after about 30 minutes of no movement, I went to go ask, and apparently the train hit an animal on the tracks. And now we're waiting for another train that we can get on, and that's going to take about 120 to 140 minutes. So about maybe 2 hours and 2 hours and 20 minutes that we're delayed. Yay. It's been about 2 hours now. We're still in the same spot, not moving, waiting for another train to pick us up and take us back to where we departed from. So, yeah, change of plans. That kind of sucks, but 2 hours. Alright, our train is moving. Well, it was moving backwards. Alright, now we stopped again.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We are here. We are stranded, but we are perfectly fine. We are just waiting for our other train to arrive, and we're gonna go back to Krakow.
I want to say something.
Yes, go ahead.
So a train on the way to a different city for 2 days.
Yeah.
It hit an animal.
Yeah, I know, and then it makes the train stop running.
Oh, right there, that hit too. Look,
Yeah, I know.
look on there on the yellow thing. It says 2
Okay.
hit animals.
Okay. So bye. We'll see you in Krakow.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Please. Please. Oh God. Number 2. Welcome to.
It's an experience, right?
Wow, look at this village.
Hi guys, so we are back in Krakow. We decided not to go to Poznan because of the delay, and like I said, it's fine if it's just me and my husband, but we have a kid with us, so yep, we are back in Krakow. Yeah?
long hair and blue eyes. And he also loves Minecraft. Mom, he has a Minecraft backpack, obviously.
Oh, he has a Minecraft backpack.